The goal for us is to make sure that we position Edo where it naturally should be in this country. Optimistic that we have started a tradition that will outlive us. I want to use this opportunity also to just thank all Edo people, those at home and those in the diaspora. Because we have one connection, and the connection is Edo. Our representatives, epitomized by our senators, you can see all of them coming together for one purpose, for the sake of our states. They all don't belong to the same political party, but in spite of the differences, they have one thing in common. They are representing the Edo people. For us as a government, we are a government elected by Edo people. I am the governor of Edo State. And so it doesn't matter your political party, I am your governor and will provide leadership. That is why we don't have to join your party. We will continue to do what we can to make Edo home for all of us, including those of you in the other party. Thank God, politics is not static. Politics is very adaptive. And the politics of the 60s, 70s, politics of petroleum Nigeria is going to be different from the politics of technology Nigeria. Our politics is being driven by data. Our politics is being driven by intuition. So we will continue to talk through the political divide. We'll continue to adapt our politics to Nigerian circumstances.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.